Facebook friends and followers. Welcome to a beautiful Monday afternoon in beautiful Mount Vernon, Illinois. Ever so often I like to go out and talk to our members about what they've got going on at their businesses. And today I'm down here with Dan Black and Joe Collier talking about Innotech Manufacturing. Look at them. There they are pointing out at it. Good morning, DRB.
Hello, hello.
Hey, Joe, how we doing?
Hey, y'all. We're doing well.
Tell us about Innotech here.
Well, Innotech started about 9 years ago, and we were doing a lot of different type of manufactured products. But within the last couple of years, we've honed in on doing prefabricated metal hanging balconies off multi-story buildings. We're doing sunscreen, similar to what we put in front of Community First Bank, and then we're also doing canopies, similar to like what Schauberts have on their buildings, the metal canopy type thing. We didn't make those, but they're that type.
Okay.
And then we're doing Ultralox railing systems, similar to what we just put on Jeff Harmon's deck behind his.
Yeah, I was looking at that, those pictures. Yeah, it looked very nice.
That's
yeah.
the product we're concentrating on.
Okay. And so we're going to...
Joseph Collier, he's my vice president, son-in-law, vice president of marketing, and come in to help me with
She's
Innotech.
bottle washer, right?
Take it up to the next level.
Take it to the next level. Well, congratulations. What is the next level? Is that the...
We're going to expand, number one, because you can't grow your products without having to have more facility, more equipment, more people. So we want to expand, create jobs, and we want to sell more products.
How many employees do you have at Innotech?
Probably got about 25 right now.
25?
But, we could have 50, 75 as soon as we get this thing amped up.
Okay.
Get a lot of good feed on the internet.
That's good. That's good.
We plan to triple sales this year as opposed to last. So
All right.
taking it to the next level, to me, creating jobs, getting Mount Vernon more on the map than it is, putting balconies on different buildings around town, names as quality as Terry Schaubert, Jeff Harmon, that sort of thing.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the next
Well,
level,
I'm surprised at the 25. I mean that positively. I didn't realize...
Up to 125. It just depends on what we're doing, what we're building. We're going
Okay.
up and down with our workflow. But
Okay.
right now we've got a steady workforce of about 25, but I'm looking to double that pretty quick.
Okay. Well, why don't we go inside and look around? You want to do that, Joe?
Sounds good. Hey, we want to present you with a
What?
official Innotech T-shirt. You're a
Hey.
medium. You're a small, medium.
Yeah, smaller or medium would be fine
All right,
for one arm.
Super small.
There you
Look
go.
at that.
That way,
Look at that.
out on the
Innotech.
golf course, everything else. Just put that collar underneath.
I'll do it. All right. Thank you very
Just
much.
open your checks.
And
too,
open all my
right?
checks, all my money. We're going to go inside here, ladies and gentlemen, and see what Innotech does. Well, our first stop is inside Joe's office here to kind of talk us a little bit kind of through the process of how we get over to the plant that we're going to go over to in just a moment, where the items are manufactured. So tell us a little bit about your office here. And
Okay, I don't know if this is where the magic happens, but I think so.
Where it starts.
Starts.
Where the magic
It's got to start somewhere.
Oh, thanks, father-in-law. There.
Yeah.
All right. So, where it basically starts is clients contact us, whether it's myself or Ken Thacker up front, Dan, anybody. All right. So, people contact us, see if we can make it. Of course, we can make anything, right, Dan?
All right. Okay.
So, once we get an idea of where it is, what it is, they'll send us the drawings of the balconies, railings, what it is, whatever it is, okay?
Okay.
So this is in North Carolina, okay? This is,
Show your hanging balconies.
Uh-huh.
Hanging balconies are really chic right now, believe it or not. Everybody wants hanging balconies.
And that's what you're making.
And they love awnings and they love sunshades. So, I mean, really the architects love the product that we're making right now. And we're bidding, projects all over the United States.
Okay.
This one has to be in North Carolina. And we got projects going to Florida, New
Okay.
Jersey, Minnesota, Michigan.
Bill's office. He's the one that does all the drawings. Once the drawings are approved by the client, we'll hit send over to the factory. So we'll just glance at his desk,
Cool.
go over to the factory.
All right. So this is what's being designed,
Yes,
and that
sir.
goes on a outside of a hotel window, or
Whatever it may be, you're right.
Uh-huh.
correct.
Condominium, house.
We can make one of those, or we can make 700 of those, okay?
Uh-huh.
It's not capped at 700 either. But we, Bill, our project design manager, he designs that in a CAD program, sends it over to the client, gets their approval, makes sure it is, every picket's where they want it, posts
Sure.
where they want it. Once it's approved by them, they'll hit send. He'll hit send over to the fab shop, and they'll create
all
it.
right. And that's where we're headed now.
Yes, sir.
Final drawings. We'd send that to the fabrication shop, start cutting and building
That
either
tells them-
custom railing or using ultralock
Uh-huh.
railings as an option.
Cool. Tell me what we're looking at here.
Okay, so Dan, you got it? You want to explain?
Go ahead.
All right, so this is our Ultralox interlocking machine, okay? So we basically make railings and pickets, or we stick the pickets in there. We can get them all the way. How long can this go, Dan? How long of a panel?
We can do two 6-foot panels at a time, so we can make 12-foot a panel at one time. Basically, all we're doing is taking these pre-manufactured products and pressing them together to make a one either 5 or 6 foot section that goes in between two of your posts, either on a balcony or on your deck or around your pool or whatever. And we got bronze, black, white, or we have a combination. The tuxedo like Jeff Harmon used was black and white. Looks pretty good.
Right. Yeah.
So we literally just stick these balusters in this H, put another H here, and this machine actually presses those together, and you end up with a panel.
Okay, so now you're putting these railings into what do you call the H bar?
Balusters. And
Balusters?
H's.
Uh-huh.
We're actually making railing panels, either 5 or 6 foot long, that go in between the posts.
Okay. So they just snaps right in.
Machine presses these together. This allows us to make a lot more railing in a day's time because we're buying pre-manufactured, pre-powder coated pieces.
Okay.
Ultralox is also, they're working with us. They're promoting our balconies so they can sell their railings.
So this is a trade name, Ultralock
Yeah,
Interlocking.
they're out of Minnesota.
We partnered with them, like Dan just said. They're out of Minnesota. Dan was partnered with them. And
Press her down.
Done.
That's it?
Right there.
And there's part of your railing going around your deck. And then you top it off with whatever design you want up at the top.
we can do any design. It can stay like that, or we can make a St. Louis Cardinals emblem, whatever they
Whatever's
need,
appropriate.
whatever they want.
Interesting. Very much. Just that simple. Good. Well, tell me about him.
Okay, this is fabricating an aluminum balcony section right now. We'll mount the rails on to later for an aluminum balcony. And behind you are some more completed parts here.
All right. Now this is the base of the balcony?
That's correct. So I attach it to the wall, and then we put our handrails on there and put any kind of decking you want on top of it.
Okay.
Put Trex, you can pour concrete on it, whatever, so just plywood, vinyl surface on it. This whole concept of Innotech, I mimicked, believe it or not, Steve Jobs in Google. It's hard for you to understand, but Steve started in the garage, so I'm starting in a pole barn. Okay, in Google, they got this workplace. Everybody gets to play with these toys and Xbox and stuff. Well, these guys get to play. I give them welding machines and stuff. And so they really think they're playing all day long. Until the only time they really have to work is when they go home and the wife does the dishes. It's a great concept.
So they just play all the time. That is a good concept. Yeah. Yeah.
I can't take credit for it.
So what'd you say this was again? This is a powder coating room?
The powder coating room, come in, energize the product for electrical current, spray the powder on it, then we take it next door, put it in the oven, bake it, and we have the powder coated product where you can hit with a hammer and we can bend it.
Right.
Rain, it can go through thunderstorms, whatever.
These are all balcony parts.
Parts that you would put on the balcony.
Canopy parts.
Canopy?
This is my favorite department, by the way. This was the shipping department. That's the department I like best. That means I'm
That
getting
means
ready to make money.
that's right. It's going out the door. Yeah.
This is typical balcony.
Finished product.
Yeah. Balcony section. Many different designs. This would attach it to your building right here.
You guys can pick your flooring.
Flooring in here. And
Wow.
behind you are welding all those up.
Pretty simple, isn't it?
Pretty simple.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that,
All having fun.
in a nutshell, is
Yeah.
Innotech.
That is Innotech.
Innotech Manufacturing.
all the way from the telephone call, or the email for the order, or the online, and then the design into the manufacturing, into the shipping. All done deal.
I've been looking for years for manufacturers to come to the city and create jobs, and I've been here all along.
All along.
South Day. We're getting ready to show you who we are. We're going to grow. We're going to create jobs. We're on it.
And you've been here all along.
Doing it.
That's right. Have fun doing it.
We love the chamber. Support the chamber. It's very important to all of us.
Very much a past president of our Chamber of Commerce, and Joe's now on one of our councils, so we appreciate that.
Moving here 3 months ago, Chamber, seriously, they opened up, they invited me, and I couldn't be happier. So
Good.
thank you.
Fantastic.
Thanks,
Good.
Mike.
All right. Thank you. We'll see you guys. Okay, there you have it. Down here at Innotech at 13th and Logan, talking to Dan and Joe about a product that a lot of us see every day and don't even realize, but they're made right here in town. And as you can see, his order's in there. He's shipping it to North Carolina. So definitely is a high-tech world we live in. Here's a product being manufactured here, but being shipped all around the United States. So as he said, they're wanting to bring businesses and manufacturing people in, and we've got one right here working, and we've got 25 people going, and hopefully another 25 real soon. So there you have it, straight from the Chamber of Commerce. We're trying something a little different here on this film instead of a feed. So we'll see how that works, and have a great day, and we'll talk to you again real soon.